All right, people. So you can see by the thumbnail, just had to do a test fit of the dash, and the dash sits inside. It lines up. Everything's good. I had to tack weld it in the firewall. And excuse me for the time that it's been. And I just had to tack it in a couple places just to make sure I can hold it in place. But I had to take a little time off from the project, just taking care of things. Summer is here and just doing things. But dash is in. Just kind of assures me that everything lines up just fine and perfect as it should. Here's for the steering column. Then it mounts up to the mount here. And then of course on this side, mounts fine with the door closed. So obviously we've got to put the door panel, but that's not going to be an issue. So just wanted to give you guys a quick little update video here. So now I can really get down to the welding, to the nitty gritty of the welding part. Yeah, it'll just be getting everything back together, and then I can go back and start working on the motor, get the windshield put in, and that'll be that. Like I said, just wanted to update you guys real quick, just to show you that the dash did match up. So until my next update video, I will speak with y'all later. Peace out.